Okay, the next part of the equation, the review talks about limiting reagents. Which one of the reactants is going to run out first, thus stopping the chemical reaction? So we balance our equation. It's going to look just like this. So now our chemical equation is balanced. Okay. Now it says if 2 moles of copper chloride react with 2 moles of sodium nitrate, which would be the limiting reagent? Meaning, which one of them is going to run out first? So we have to do 2 different equations here. So the first one, we're just going to start with 2 moles of copper chloride. So 2 moles copper chloride. And in our equation, for every 1 mole of copper chloride, we're just going to pick one of the reactants. I decide I'm just going to use this. I want to see if I have 2 moles of copper chloride, how many moles of sodium chloride can be produced. I'm just going to pick this one as an example. So in my equation, I have 1 mole of copper chloride to every 2 moles of sodium chloride. Basically saying is, given 2, how many of this can actually be produced? And we come up with the answer of 4 moles of sodium chloride. Again, I could use copper nitrate here, but I decided I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to set up the same way, because now I'm going to use 2 moles of sodium nitrate. Same equation for every, and now it says I have 2 moles in the actual equation. Again, this number comes from right here. To every 2 moles sodium chloride. I multiply 2 times 2, divided by the bottom, and it gives me 2 moles sodium chloride. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by the actual mole ratio in here, which is going to be 2. Gives me a ratio of 2 to 1. So if I'm looking at this, the sodium nitrate is going to run out first before the copper chloride because it has a smaller mole number ratio. So the limiting reagent is going to be sodium nitrate.